Hi, I'm Beth, and welcome back to another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today, little girl and I are going to be making a charcuterie spread of Harry and David items. This was something that we received over the holidays, and we are going to unbox it together. My little girl likes to help in the kitchen and learn things from mom. So I have shown her a video on YouTube. We watched it together about putting together this kind of snack spread, and let's see how it goes. Now I have undone the tape on the top of the box. I've got lots of air pillows in here. And let's see what all is inside. This is going to be exciting. This Harry and David collection is called the Food and Wine Cocktail Party, although we did not receive any wine. So right here, it says this is cutting board, wood, and marble. So that will be nice. Let's take a look and see how that goes. And then over here, evidently I'm looking at it upside down. Food and Wine Collection. Now, since little girl is very small, I like to hold the camera, and I also like to open everything myself until she gets a better grasp on handling large objects. So I'm going to turn off the camera for a moment and start unpacking, and then she and I are going to arrange things. This is our pretty marble board. I have unpackaged it from the box and the styrofoam and the plastic and washed it off in the sink. So now let's get to the fun part and open the food elements. Okay, so baby girl is going to pull the bow open, and then we will untie this and see what's inside. All right, so we got the ribbon undone, and baby girl is going to pull the top off of the box. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, let's see what all is in here. We have rosemary baguette crisps. We have deluxe dried fruit mix, prunes, peaches, pears, nectarines, apricots, and apples. We have smoked salmon. That looks yummy. It says it is from off of the Pacific Coast, lemon dill flavor. We have olive oil and sea salt water crackers. We have a jar of cherry ancho chili chutney. So that's going to be fun. It sounds like it's got a wide variety of flavors pulling together. That's going to be a unique taste. I'm really interested to try that and see how it goes. And then this one down here, this is strawberry fig. That sounds really yummy. Fruit preserves for cheese. And it's from Thomasville, Georgia. I'm originally from Georgia, so I have a certain appreciation for produce from my original home state. So there we go. And then in here, I believe this may be the dry ice pack. Oh, no. This, hold on, there is an ice pack in it. It says this ice pack is reusable, non-toxic, and biodegradable. So that's handy and very eco-friendly. We have cheeses. Okay, this is aged cheddar, aged 12 months, 4 ounces. This is Asiago cheese. Let's see, how many ounces is this? Aged at least 12 months, 5.3 ounces. What else do we have? We have sharp white cheddar, 4 ounces. This is a staple in our house. We love cheddar cheese, especially the sharp. The extra sharp, even better. The sharper, the better. So I think that is everything. Yeah. All right, so that was packaged beautifully. Everything looks to be in pristine condition, and now we will prepare our board. I'm gonna spread out the food a little bit more than just on this one little board. I'm gonna actually pull out another cutting board I have to use. So let's see how it all looks when baby girl and I spend some time putting it together. Okay, so this was a fun project for me and my daughter. She is going to turn 8 years old very soon in just a few days, and we had a fun time putting this together. I showed her how we can mix a variety of things, some sweet things, some salty things, some more sweet things with some savory parts in it with spices, some fish and some cheese and things, and just make a neat presentation. We are looking forward to sharing this with her brothers, so the whole family will get to snack together. I told her we could even add things if we wanted to. We chose to add some fresh clementine slices here with the dried fruit that we received in the Harry and David arrangement. We're really looking forward to this. Thank you very much for everyone who is viewing and watching this channel. Please hit the subscribe button, click the bell so that you will receive all notifications of new videos being posted, and feel free to leave comments below. I love to read what people are thinking. Until next time, that's how I'm doing it.